In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks online with Truist. Ordering checks can easily be done online, and I'll walk you through each step, ensuring that the process feels as intuitive as possible. Let's start by opening your favorite web browser and searching for Truist Bank. The website you're looking for is the official Truist site, which you can easily identify by its logo and URL. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to locate the Contact button. It's typically found within the main navigation menu. Once you click on the Contact option, you'll be redirected to the Contact page. This is where you'll find several helpful resources. You'll see a clear display labeled Contact Us, which is where all the essential details are provided, like phone numbers, opening hours, and more. For immediate assistance, you can dial the contact number listed on this page. In situations where queries or issues demand urgent responses, this number is especially useful. Additionally, if you're calling from within the country, Truist provides specific numbers meant for domestic calls. It's always a good idea to keep these numbers handy just in case you need assistance. Now let's talk about when you can reach out for help. The Truist support lines are open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On Saturdays, they operate from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you need something on a Sunday, they've got you covered with a 24-hour automated assistance line, which is perfect for managing many routine inquiries. Another option you have is the convenience of stopping by in person. If your query or service requirement needs direct interaction with a bank representative, visiting a local branch is advisable. Additionally, for more personalized assistance or complex queries, making an appointment can be very beneficial. This ensures you have dedicated time set aside to address your needs without any interruptions. Consulting with an advisor can also provide comprehensive guidance tailored to your individual financial needs. Advisors can offer insights not just on ordering checks, but also on a broad spectrum of financial services that might benefit you. Lastly, inquire specifically about how you can order checks from Truist. Whether you're making a call, visiting in person, or setting up an appointment, it's always useful to directly ask how to order checks. The staff can provide step-by-step guidance or even direct you to the appropriate online resources to complete your order seamlessly. And there you have it. This simple guide will help you through every step, whether you're coming into contact with Truist online or offline, and ensures that ordering checks is as straightforward as possible. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.